This screencast is going to be about how to look at your data in different ways that might help you uncover some new things or might help make your infographic more interesting or give you more options. So right now I have minutes slept in column B and dates in column A. But I'm going to give you some options for different ways to show these same numbers here. To do that, I'm going to teach you a new function. It's not, remember, functions are when you type in equals, like sum is a function if I wanted to add some numbers up. Average is a function if I wanted to take the average of some numbers. I'm going to do a function called split. And that's going to break up 724 because in this format it's a bit tough to work with as a number. So I'm going to break up this number. I did split and then parentheses and I chose B2, that's this cell. And then it's saying what would you like to split it by? What's the delimiter? That means what to divide it by, and I'm going to use the colon. So I'll type in the colon in quotes and parentheses, and now you'll see it splits perfectly once I press enter. I can copy that formula down. So now I have hours in one column, minutes in another. And that's pretty nice because now I can do all sorts of things. If I want total minutes, I can set up a little formula. So I'll say total minutes. Think about what this would be. It's hours times 60 plus minutes. And now I can copy that formula down. And now I have the total amount of minutes spent. If I wanted to turn it into a decimal, because the decimal numbers are what I want, that'd be pretty easy too. 7 hours and 24 minutes. Well, to figure that out, I need to think about what part of an hour 24 minutes is. So I'm going to make a little space here. And I would say fraction of an hour. Well, 24 minutes out of 60 minutes, I could do 24 divided by 60. And then this would get me the little decimal part. And then spot check to see if these look right. Is 54 minutes out of 60 about 0.9? Yeah, I think it is actually exactly, so that looks right. And to get the full amount, I'm going to insert one column to the right and combine, because I want 7 plus 0.4. That'll get me total hours right here. So on September 11th, 2014, I slept 7.4 hours, or 444 minutes, or 7 hours and 24 minutes. These numbers still aren't formatted great, so I'm going to do a trick that I already talked about before. I'm going to select columns E and F, go to Format Number, and I am just going to custom number format. I want 2 decimal places. Beautiful, just like that. And now I'm done, and this gives me a lot more options.